Let's create a new file of 200 pixel height and 200 pixel width. Then put a .png file into the canvas. It can be a logo or something. If the file is in white color, take a solid color adjustment layer with a different color. Now duplicate your PNG layer. Then go to Filter menu in Other, click on Offset. Try different value as per your image. In my image +100 is okay. Don't transform any layer after using offset. Now press right click and delete both the layers solid color and background layer. Then go to Edit menu and click on Define Pattern. Give a name to your pattern like my logo pattern. Your pattern is created. Now create a new file with the 1920 pixel width and 1080 pixel of height. Now create a solid color because your pattern is in white color. Now go to the FX and click on the blending options. Then click to the pattern overlay, and click to your created pattern. You can change the angle and scale of your pattern as you like. Hope you like this tutorial and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel to learn more.